Alright guys, it's time for that night drive. We've got a couple more days left in this XC60 T6 all-wheel drive R design, and it's been a good week. I don't really know what else can be said about this car. It's gotten the North American SUV of the Year award, high praise from journalists and car enthusiasts alike. Chicks dig it. Its headlights are nicknamed Thor's Hammer. There's a lot to like about this. Let's take it for a night drive. I'll show you what the lights look like at night. You have nice little illuminated door handles here. And great, nice bright LED lighted interior. Check out the back seats. You can see well in here as well. Not sure if I mentioned this in my review, but this key fob is one of the best in the business. Wrapped in Napa leather, really soft, really premium, really quality piece. I love that some automotive manufacturers are finally paying attention to their key fobs, and Volvo is obviously doing it correctly. Super light steering at low speeds. You can almost toss the wheel and it'll turn. It's luxury vehicle light. I love it. You know, this XC60 strikes it has such a perfect balance for its intended purpose. It is an absolute road warrior. It's the right size, it's not too big, it's not too small. It's very comfortable. It's just fun enough to drive. It kind of does it all. It has great autonomous features. This is level 2. It's well equipped. It's well priced. It's good looking. I mean, daily driver status. You can't really do much better in this segment. I'd be hard-pressed to get one of the competitors, mostly because I'm just a Volvo fanboy, but also this is a really compelling car when you compare it to BMW and Jag and Mercedes and Audi. It's a good segment, it's a competitive segment, but if you just want something different, you can't go wrong with this. Pulls decently too. Yeah, I've just really enjoyed my week in this car. It's this is a beautiful spec. This blue is absolutely gorgeous. I love the interior. I have a few gripes with the touch screen and its responsiveness and speed, especially on startup. It's pretty slow. But otherwise, pretty solid car. Really quiet at highway speeds. Not a lot of wind noise or road noise. The engine's very quiet. I feel like they've refined the sound of this engine, this power plant, just a little bit since driving the XC90. Just put it into dynamic mode. You get crazy quick throttle response in this mode, and a lot of boost with just very little throttle. Downshifts are a little muted, a little bit sluggish, but they get the job done. Handling is neutral. It's almost chuckable. I remember when I drove the T8 with 400 horsepower, I was just blown away by how good of a chassis this has. You can really feel it move around underneath you. It's a riot. It's super fun. Nice headlights too. Yeah, this thing is definitely no slouch. It's quick. Dynamic mode turns off stop start, which is always nice. It's very confidence inspiring around the corners. It just grips. Of course, we are in winter tires today. This just gets the job done. We've got radar guided cruise control on here. Let's see if it comes to a stop with this Mustang here. Cool, guys. Well, hey, there you go. New XC60. Hope you enjoyed this night drive. A little bit quieter than normal. If you haven't seen my point of view first impressions video, check that out. I'll post a link in the description. But otherwise, really solid car. High recommendations for sure. Love this color too. Oh yeah. Pops from the exhaust. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.